Have you ever opened a reading assignment in class, looked at a paragraph full of big words, and thought to yourself, what does this even mean? Or you know the answer to a question, but you're not sure how to explain it using text evidence. If you ever felt nervous, stuck, or overwhelmed about test questions, you are not alone. And guess what? You are in the right place. Welcome to Smart Apple Teacher. I'm Mrs. M, and I created this space just for multilingual learners just like you. Think of this channel as your ultimate after-school power up. No, level up. We're here to turn complex academic English into simple step-by-step strategies so that you can become a stronger reader, a confident writer, and a sharper critical thinker in every class. And you won't be doing this alone. You're joining 3 awesome classmates who will be working through school right alongside you. First up is Logan. Logan is building her foundation. She asks a lot of questions and isn't afraid to make mistakes. Next is Gabriella. Gabriella is leveling up her reading comprehension and is working on constructing strong written responses. And last but not least is Kimmy. Kimmy is working on advanced vocabulary, my personal favorite, essay writing, and test-taking strategies. All of my students ask questions, make mistakes, and figure things out, just like all of us do. Here on Smart Apple Teacher, every week we'll bring practical, interactive lessons to help you succeed in school. We'll break down tricky academic vocabulary, unlock reading hacks, show you how to write answers that give you full credit for your work, and share stress-free test-taking strategies. Plus, we'll have homework, breakdowns, and interactive strategies and challenges with Gabriella, Logan, and Kimmy to keep things fun and interactive. Parents, this channel is designed to give your child the academic edge and confidence that they need to thrive in school. Students, are you ready to level up? Do you want to do good in school? Please click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and check back soon for free resources. My Smarties, until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and keep shining brightly. I will see you in the next lesson.